Hey, beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. Today, we are embarking on a transformative journey to embrace our authentic self. Together, we will explore 6 empowering steps that will help you discover who you truly are. Let go of societal pressure and confidently shine as your unique selves. So let's just dive into my video. So, for my first step, discovering your true self. In this first step, let's dive into self reflection. Start by setting aside quiet time each day to journal. Ask yourself questions like, what are my core values? What activities brings me joy? Reflect on moments when you felt most like yourself. This self-awareness will help you connect with your true self and understand what sets you apart. So that's my first tip. Let's dive into the second tip. Letting go of societal expectation. Next, let's address the societal pressure that often shapes our behavior. It's important for us to recognize that this influences us and we should consciously choose to release them. Let's talk about setting healthy boundaries, learning to say no, and embracing what makes you unique. This step is about finding freedom from external expectation and embracing your true self. Step number 3, building confidence in your identity. So let's go to step number 3. Let's start with building confidence in your identity. With a clear sense of self, let's focus on building confidence. Celebrate your unique qualities and achievements, and also don't forget to um, make a daily practice affirmation, like your daily affirmation. It's very important to be doing daily affirmation and stuff like that. It's also ways to challenge your self-doubt and build a positive self-image, confidence, happiness, good health, and you can use it to grow as you acknowledge and appreciate your authentic self. So, learn to practice self affirmation and build confidence in your own identity and learn to just be you, and do not be afraid to say no. If something is not good for you, don't be afraid to say no. If you don't want to go somewhere, you don't want to go somewhere. If you don't want to do anything, you don't want to do anything. So build your confidence by starting that new identity, which is not longer a people pleasing thing. So learn your daily affirmation and learn to love yourself and build this confidence within yourself. So that my step number 3, and working on to step number 4. And step number 4 will be cultivating self-compassion. Now let's talk about self-compassion, how we cultivate it, how we can use this to our daily life. Self-compassion is the key to authenticity. Authenticity. So now let's talk about things like mindfulness, self-kindness, like the way you are kind to other people and stuff like that. You can also bring that to yourself. How to gently change negative thoughts about everything. Sometimes we think negatively about different things. Oh, we are not this, or we can do this, we can do that. No, 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 no. Stop that negative thought. We don't need negative thought. We are going for positivity. In this channel, we are all about positivity. So, negative thoughts, no. Don't no, 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 we don't need that one. This step will help you build nurturing inner dialogue and treat your inner self with the same kindness you offer to others. You cannot be offering love to others and you don't give that back to yourself. The same way you give love to others, you give back to yourself. This is self love, self kindness, self compassion. So learn to always be there for yourself, like you be there for other people, not just for other people. Be there also for yourself. Even if you have kids, you're married, or you have family, but still, if you have time to do for all these people and be there for all of them, you can also have time to put it in for yourself. So learn self-compassion. It's really good. Learn to love yourself. Learn to put yourself out there and show kindness to yourself. So that's my fourth. For my fifth tip, connecting with supportive communities. Authenticity flourishes in a supportive environment. Now, let's talk about finding and nurturing communities that celebrate your true self. Be around communities, people that support your dreams, that support your goals, and know what you want and don't judge you and love you for who you are. Learn to surround yourself around this kind of people. Surround yourself with the people that you want to become. Don't surround yourself with people that you don't want to become. Surround yourself with people that inspires you, that you will all inspires each other. People that you can learn from and they can learn from you. People that's all about positive mindset, self-growth. These are the people that you should surround yourself around. Don't surround yourself around people that are going to put you backward or push you backward. So that's why you have to connect with supportive community, because supporting with communities that support you is really really good, and it brings positive to your surrounding. Like-minded people can come around and this can reinforce your confidence and can help you grow in the future. So make sure you know the people that you're staying around. Don't just go around anybody, and don't just be ugly with anybody, but just don't hang around everyone. Okay, so yeah, that's my fifth tip. So for my final tip, which is my last, number six, it's going to be living authentically every single day. And finally, let's integrate authenticity into our daily life. Let's discuss tips to staying true to ourselves, making choices that align with our values, and confidently expressing who we are. This step is about living authentically in every aspect of our lives. So there you go. This is the last tip, and yeah, thank you all for joining me on this journey of embracing your true self. Remember, authenticity is a continuous journey, and every step you take brings you closer to the empowered, authentic you. Keep shining, stay shine, stay true to yourself, and please don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. And please also make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what are you taking in this video, or what are your own tips on living your life and having this beautiful you. So let me know what are you taking, and if you have any suggestion, just leave it down there below, and I will see you up to that. So thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed until we see you again. Ciao. Mwah.